For decades, the conversation around heart health has been dominated by one primary villain: cholesterol. We've been told that if we just lower our LDL levels, our arteries will remain clear and our hearts will stay strong. However, modern cardiovascular science has revealed that cholesterol is only one part of a much larger story. There is a secret molecule produced right inside the walls of your blood vessels that acts as the ultimate maintenance crew for your circulatory system. That molecule is nitric oxide, NO. If you are concerned about arterial plaque, high blood pressure, or long-term heart health, understanding nitric oxide is not just helpful, it is essential. Some researchers go as far as calling it the secret to cleaning your arteries. But how does a simple gas perform such a monumental task? The biological Teflon for your blood vessels. To understand how nitric oxide cleans your arteries, you first have to understand why they get dirty or clogged in the first place. Arterial health begins with the endothelium, a single layer of cells lining every blood vessel in your body. When the endothelium is healthy, it produces nitric oxide. This gas serves a vital function. It makes the walls of your arteries slippery. Think of nitric oxide as a biological version of Teflon. When NO levels are high, white blood cells and platelets glide smoothly through your system. However, when NO production drops, your arterial walls become sticky. This stickiness allows inflammatory cells and LDL cholesterol to attach to the vessel wall, penetrate it, and begin the formation of plaque. By maintaining high nitric oxide levels, you are essentially preventing the grime of the cardiovascular system from sticking to the pipes. Vasodilation, opening the floodgates. The most famous function of nitric oxide is vasodilation. When your heart needs more oxygen, whether you're climbing stairs or dealing with stress, the endothelium releases a burst of nitric oxide. This signals the smooth muscles surrounding your arteries to relax. As the vessels relax, they widen. This does two incredible things for your arterial cleaning process. 1. Reduces pressure. Wider pipes mean lower pressure. High blood pressure is like a power washer hitting a delicate surface. It causes micro tears in your arteries. Those tears are where plaque starts to grow. By lowering pressure, NO prevents the damage that leads to clogging. 2. Increases scouring flow. Improved blood flow helps move metabolic waste out of the system more efficiently, ensuring that nutrients reach your tissues and toxins are flushed away. Can nitric oxide actually reverse plaque? This is the million-dollar question. While we know that nitric oxide is world-class at preventing plaque, can it help clean out existing buildup? Research suggests that while nitric oxide may not dissolve a calcified blockage like a chemical drain cleaner, it plays a critical role in plaque stabilization. The most dangerous plaques are soft or unstable ones. These are the ones that rupture and cause heart attacks. Nitric oxide helps strengthen the fibrous cap over these plaques, making them much less likely to rupture. Furthermore, by improving the health of the endothelium, nitric oxide can help the body stop the progression of atherosclerosis. When you provide the body with enough NO, you move from a state of vascular decay to a state of vascular repair. The age factor, why your factory is shutting down. The tragedy of the human body is that our nitric oxide factory begins to slow down just when we need it most. By age 40, most men and women produce only about 50% of the nitric oxide they produced in their 20s. By age 60, that number can drop to 15%. This is why we see a massive spike in heart disease, erectile dysfunction, which is often just a lack of NO in small vessels, and low energy in our middle and senior years. Your arteries are becoming stiffer and stickier simply because the supply of nitric oxide is running dry. How to reactivate your arterial cleaning crew. The good news is that nitric oxide production isn't gone forever, it's just dormant. You can clean your system by rebooting this production through 3 specific pillars. 1. Targeted nutrition, the nitrate pathway. Your body can create NO through the nitrate-nitrite-nitric oxide pathway. This involves eating inorganic nitrates found in vegetables. When you chew arugula, kale, spinach, or beetroot, the bacteria in your mouth begin the conversion process. This is why green drinks are so popular for heart health. They are essentially a liquid tune-up for your arteries. 2. Amino acid synergy. The body also uses the arginine-citrulline pathway. Consuming foods rich in L-citrulline, like watermelon, or L-arginine, como nuts and seeds, provides the raw fuel your endothelium needs to manufacture NO gas on demand. 3. Shear stress, the movement trigger. When you exercise and your heart rate increases, the physical friction of blood rubbing against the vessel walls, known as shear stress, triggers the release of nitric oxide. This is why a simple 30-minute walk can lower your blood pressure for hours afterward. You've manually triggered the cleaning gas to be released. The mouthwash trap and other NO killers. You can eat all the beets in the world, but if you are killing your oral bacteria with antibacterial mouthwash, you are stopping the nitric oxide process before it even starts. Studies have shown that using strong mouthwash can actually increase blood pressure because it destroys the very microbes responsible for the first step of NO conversion. Additionally, a diet high in processed sugars creates oxidative stress that neutralizes nitric oxide almost as soon as it's produced. To keep your arteries clean, you must not only boost production but also protect the NO you already have. Summary: a new path to heart health. Nitric oxide is the invisible guardian of your cardiovascular system. By keeping your vessels wide, your blood pressure low, and your arterial walls slippery, it acts as the primary defense against the world's leading killer, heart disease. If you want to maintain youthful, flexible, and clean arteries, you cannot ignore this molecule. It is time to move beyond just lowering the bad and start boosting the good. Ready to reclaim your vascular health? If you want to discover the exact step-by-step protocol to naturally maximize your nitric oxide levels, including the best-kept secrets for arterial health and the specific supplements that actually make a difference, we have a wealth of information waiting for you. Click the link in the description of this video or check the first pinned comment below for more information. Take the first step toward a stronger heart and cleaner arteries today. Your future self will thank you.